For my culminating project, I decided to go to the Watka Museum and go see the Vanishing Ice exhibit. This exhibit was extremely remarkable in a sense that through multiple pieces of art, I learned to value these polar and Arctic environments. Throughout this exhibit, there were many photographs and paintings of what mountain ranges looked like then and now. It was quite shocking to me, actually, to see how much of a difference in loss of ice there was over the years due to climate change. A guest speaker came to our class and gave a presentation on climate change. There's no doubt that planet Earth's temperatures are rising. The sad thing is, human behavior is greatly responsible for this. The activities such as burning of fossil fuels are what release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. These gases continue to build up in our atmosphere and make a thick layer which traps the heat from coming in from the sunlight. What happens when temperature increases? Well, glaciers melt and sea levels start to rise, which is exactly what the Vanishing Ice exhibit was trying to demonstrate. This leads me to talk about water and its high specific heat. A bond between two water molecules is called a hydrogen bond, and they are very weak, continuing to break over and over again at room temperature. Well, when these bonds break, heat from the sun gets absorbed into large bodies of water. Water has a high capacity for storing energy, meaning that it will have a high specific heat. And with this high specific heat, it affects our climate. While bodies of water are absorbing the sun's energy and heat all day long, it releases at night, resulting in not a lot of change in temperature. Our overall highs and lows will not be as high as they would be in a different area. Climate change also ties in with biodiversity. Biodiversity is basically the different variety of species in a specific environment or area. Biodiversity is extremely important because all different living things play a special role in the circle of life. For example, animals eat plants, humans eat animals, plants provide oxygen, and the list continues to go on and on. With this rapid climate change and temperatures rising, certain species are going to have to learn to adapt to them and their ecosystem. Think about the polar bears. When all these glaciers and huge land masses like Antarctica melt, the polar bears are not going to have a home. This goes for many other species as well. They are forced to live in a completely different ecosystem, and one may not be able to survive in it. Overall, going to the Vanishing Ice exhibit at the Watka Museum was a fun and eye-opening experience. I learned all about the bad things that come along with global warming, and it makes me want to make a difference. Taking shorter showers is one way to save water. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Oh,